How do you take these tiny plants and grow them into full-sized brassicas ready for your table? It might sound tricky, but it's easier than you think, and I'm here to show you how. Stick around, because whether you're aiming for kale smoothies, a perfect head of cauliflower, or broccoli that'll make even the pickiest eaters smile, these little seedlings are ready to impress. All they need is a bit of your time, some love, and a few gardening hacks to help them shine. Let's start at the beginning, with these tiny green leaves that might not look like much now. Every great plant has a humble start, and cauliflower, broccoli, and kale are no exception. They're all part of the brassica family, which might as well be the superhero squad of the vegetable world. Kale's the rugged adventurer, surviving frost and tough conditions with ease. Broccoli is the dependable overachiever, producing big, healthy crowns. And cauliflower, it's the artist, delicate, versatile, and occasionally a little dramatic. But before they can grow into their full potential, they need a good foundation. Healthy soil is where it all begins. Brassicas love soil that's rich, full of organic matter, and well-draining. Picture it as the perfect mattress. Firm enough to support their roots, but cozy enough to let them settle in. A good compost mix will go a long way in getting your seedlings off to a great start. Think of it as their energy drink, packed with everything they need to fuel their early growth. And here's a little secret. Brassicas love consistency. If you can provide steady moisture and a reliable spot in the garden, you're already halfway to success. These plants might look fragile now, but they're surprisingly tough. Kale, for example, thrives in cool weather and can even survive a bit of frost. It's like the plant version of a morning person, ready to take on the chill before anyone else is awake. Broccoli and cauliflower also enjoy cooler temperatures, making them perfect for planting in early spring or as the stars of your fall garden. As your plants grow, they'll need space to stretch out. Brassicas don't like to feel crowded, and giving them room ensures they won't have to compete for sunlight and nutrients. A little breathing room can make all the difference in their health and productivity. But, as with any garden adventure, challenges will come your way. Brassicas are magnets for pests like cabbage worms, aphids, and flea beetles. Don't let that scare you off. There are plenty of ways to keep your plants safe. Companion planting is a simple but powerful trick. Surround your brassicas with flowers like marigolds or herbs like dill to deter unwanted visitors. It's like hiring a natural bodyguard for your garden. If pests do show up, stay calm. A quick spray of water or a homemade remedy can often solve the problem. Row covers are another great tool, acting as a protective barrier to keep your plants safe from harm. Fast forward a few weeks, and you'll see the magic start to happen. Kale leaves will grow thick and curly, ready to be picked whenever you need them. Broccoli will begin to form its iconic green crown, and cauliflower will develop its creamy white head, almost as if it's been hiding a little treasure under its leaves. Here's a tip. When your broccoli or cauliflower is close to harvest, keep an eye on it. Cauliflower, in particular, benefits from a little extra care. If you notice the head forming, you can tie the outer leaves over it to shield it from too much sunlight, helping it stay tender and white. It's like tucking it in for a good night's sleep. Once your kale, broccoli, and cauliflower are ready to harvest, the real fun begins. Kale is a gift that keeps on giving. Pick the outer leaves, and the plant will keep producing more. Broccoli sometimes offers a bonus harvest with smaller side shoots after you cut the main head, and cauliflower, well, once it's done, but what a show it puts on. So, what do you think? Ready to turn these tiny seedlings into garden giants? It's easier than you might expect, and the reward is a plate full of fresh, homegrown goodness. We'd love to hear your gardening stories. Have you tried growing cauliflower, broccoli, or kale before? Share your successes or your hilarious mishaps in the comments. If this video inspired you or gave you a reason to smile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Together, we can grow something amazing. And remember, you can grow it.